Hi, this is John. This is one of my musical instruments that I made a while back. This is a stand-up bass I made a long time ago. I found a couple of mannequin torsos here, and I just put them together, fiberglassed them together, so you have a sound chamber. And then, excuse me. And then I cut a couple of little sound clefts there. Does that look, that fits there, right? And then on the bottom I've got a hinge so I can tighten and loosen that string. If I don't want to tighten or loosen the string, I can just hold it at a specific tension and play on top of the use the fretboard, see? And then the machine, the head was just a part I had from another project I was doing that broke off, so I was able to recycle that. And I'll show you what it looks like actually being played. So the way this works is, this is all on a hinge, so you just take the string and you put it across the bridge that was fabricated, and you just play it by just pulling this backwards and forwards. You can just see this bottom bit is on a hinge. This is just a broom handle or something, and I put on a hinge to a foot plate. So all you do is you just go or alternatively you can just hold it to one tension and go. All over with it, but really you can hear that bass note. I don't know if you can hear it over the traffic, but anyhow, thanks for watching. You don't have to spend hundreds on a musical instrument. What did that cost? $4, $5 or something? And that's how it is done. The broom handle comes up to the head there, and then I've got this old, I don't know if I made that or not. No, I think it was an old fretboard, and I used a couple of brass rods as spacers so I could get the right angle. And then on here, the fret markers I used bullet casings. Brass bullet casings works great. Very addictive to playing these things, really fun. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Hope it's give you an idea or something, keeping you abreast of the times.